لله در الشاعر قائلا لا تركبي يا غزة في جيلنا شهما إلى نسر الضعيف مشمرا رباننا في سكره مستغرق يسحو ويرجع بعدها كي يسكرا يا غزة الأمجاد بئست أمة لا تصحب الصمصام كي تتحرر. أخونا معاذ كان يتحدث عن قضية غزة وكان يحاول أن يكشف نفاق العالم. لا أريد أن أطيل عليكم الحديث، لذا ألتمس من أخ أنس وأصحابه أن يتقدموا إلى المنصة ويعرضوا حوارا عن موضوع مهم ألا وهو تحديد أفضل طريقة من الطرق السائدة لقضاء الحياة.
baju main jauh kursi mati topi boleh tahu nayan the way of life English Portuguese oh magasik mukal mo my game ko kaya patah lagi. Mashallah.
Welcome to Paths of Life, one of the most popular talk shows on air. It's we talk about topics related to politics, economics, or social affairs. But today, we have something special for you. Let's start by introducing you to our honorable guests. On my right, we have Imam Yusuf, the Imam of a great mosque in the Middle East. While on my left, we have Mr. Shoaib, the owner of a multinational company. So today, we explore different perspectives on how life can be spent. Let's start with you, Imam Yusuf. How do you believe one can spend a complete life?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for having me. Following the guidance of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we learn the importance of compassion, humility, and faith. A life devoted to helping others and seeking knowledge. The life well spent.
Yes, what do you say about it, Mr. Shoaib?
All due respect, Anas, we are living in 21st century. Life is fast-paced and success is often measured by the personal achievements and material gains. It's about pursuing our passions, breaking boundaries, and making a mark on the world. Please.
Is it really so, Imam Yusuf?
While the world has changed, the essence of a meaningful life remains constant. The Prophet in his simplicity taught us that true success lies in a balance between spiritual and worldly pursuits.
Balance? The world doesn't wait for you to find balance. It's about seizing opportunities, not waiting for divine intervention.
I don't understand. What help will seizing opportunities in this world bring you in the hereafter? It's totally useless.
Useless? What do you mean by that? Don't
Okay,
give me
guys,
that.
calm down. Okay,
Oh,
Mr. Shoaib, calm down. It's only a talk show. So, let's get some common ground. Yes. Imam Yusuf, how do you believe religious values can adapt to the challenges of the modern world?
We can integrate the timeless principles of kindness, honesty, and self-discipline into our daily lives. These values can guide us through the complexities of the modern era.
Well said.
Now I get it. Embracing values doesn't mean rejecting progress. We can still pursue our goals while being ethical and considerate.
So, in essence, Finding a balance between traditional values and modern pursuits creates a more fulfilling life, right?
Indeed, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong is not the one who overcomes people by his strength, but the strong is the one who controls himself while in anger."
And in the modern world, controlling ourselves in the pursuit of success and happiness is equally vital.
Thank you both for sharing your perspectives on how life should be spent. It was truly an honor to have you both here. Now it's clear that despite the different paths, the destination might just be the same. A life of purpose and fulfillment.
And in closing, let us remember that the Prophet's guidance has stood the test of time. According to a hadith, the best among you are those who have the best manners and character. So integrating these values into our lives shows success not just in this world but also in the hereafter.
Absolutely right.